share your thoughts with us. A moment of glory, a time to shine, where hard work meets recognition's sign. The awards are here, a symbol of might, honoring excellence in all its light. Let's applaud the winners with hearts so true and celebrate their triumphs in all we do. May this moment inspire and motivate with might to strive for excellence and shine with delight. With this, let us move forward with the special segment that is the awards ceremony.
Hello. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Namaste, salam, sat sri akal, khush distinguished guests, dignitaries, parents, teachers, and all the wonderful students out here in the auditorium. We are here to felicitate, honor, and celebrate a constellation of our brightest stars. We are about to begin the award ceremony to honor our sharp minds and spirited hearts who have pushed beyond their limits, and their hard work and determination have echoed in every cheer of victory. First and foremost, in the award category is the Chairman's Trophy. Dear spectators, I would like to draw your attention to the fact that the Chairman's Trophy is no ordinary award. It's a powerful symbol of dedication and excellence, which can be received by only extraordinary students only once in their school life. It represents not just academic success, but also commitment to extra co-curricular activities and community service. Earning this prestigious award itself signifies a well-rounded character and outstanding performance in all areas of schooling. It's a proud moment for all of us to announce the Chairman's Trophy, which is being awarded to a dynamic duo, a brother-sister jodi from class 8, Reyansh Jain and Ritisha Jain. इनके सम्मान में ये पंक्तियाँ पेश है, ज़रा गौर फरमाइएगा, बहुत ही मेहनत से लिखी है मैंने। डीपीएस के पटल पर सूर्य किरण है, माँ सरस्वती के मानो दोनों चरण हैं, कभी भाई तो कभी बहन की बारी है, सच पूछो तो दोनों एक दूजे पर भारी हैं। ज्ञान गणित के रामानुज हैं, शीतल जैसे एक अम्बुज है, मानो दिनकर की छवि है, और दोनों बड़े ही अच्छे कवि हैं। एक हिंदी ज्ञान कोश शब्द कोश है और एक ठहरी प्यारी निशा है। स्वागत करते हैं करतल ध्वनि से, ये हमारे रेयांश रितिशा हैं। To do the honors for Reyansh and Ritisha, I invite Chairman Sir and Principal Sir on the stage. I would like to draw your attention that in 18 years of schooling and being a part of the institution, I have never seen this trophy being ever given to any student. ये सुनकर भी तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट बढ़ जानी चाहिए। तालियों का कारवा बना रहे जब मैं इनके अचीवमेंट्स पढ़ूंगी, आपकी आंखें चौंक जाएगी। I invite Chairman Sir and Principal Sir, along with parents of Reyansh and Ritisha, to receive this prestigious award. I invite parents of Reyansh and Ritisha to please come up on the stage and receive this prestigious award. One more feather on the cap is that it is again for the first time in Delhi Public School that we have issued academic ambassador badges which they will be receiving for the very first time. Our young prodigy, Reyansh Jain, has earned the chairman's trophy because of his exceptional achievements at a tender age. He secured perfect scores in academics twice. Perfect scores in academics means 100%. Please clap, audience. Scored top ranks in SOF exams, including IMO, NSO, IEO. Received Academic Excellence Scholarship Trophy by Science Olympiad Foundation for 2 consecutive years. This is the achievement of Reyansh Jain. He secured international rank 3 in SOF IMO, zonal rank 3 in IMO and IGKO. He has won gold medals, silver medals, and several sport events. His other achievements include poetry compilation, recitations, debates, elocution, and drama. At this young age, he has been felicitated by dignitaries like Mr. Abhinav Bindra, Ms. Saina Nehwal, and Ms. Baichuk Bhutia. A thunderous applause for Reyansh Jain. Highlighting Ritisha's achievements, who is no less, she won national level of Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan 24-25 at IIT Kanpur. She has secured top positions in SOF exams during IMO and NSO. She has completed internship at IIT Mumbai by exploring diverse technologies. She published a poetry compilation, Ritisha's Rhythmic Pathways, at such a tender age of 12. She was felicitated by Srimati Anasuya Sitakka, Minister of Women and Child Fair, and she was also honored by Governor of Rajasthan for being recognized, and more eminent personalities like Sri Chetan Bhagat and others. For their incredible achievements, they received the Chairman's Trophy, cash prizes by SOF, medals by SOF, certificate, badges of academic ambassadors of the school, along with the certificate of excellence. Audience, मैं बोलते बोलते थक गई, तालियां अभी तक बनी नहीं है. A thunderous applause for Reyansh and Ritisha. कहते हैं ना, कुछ सितारे आसमान पर नहीं जमीन पर चमका करते हैं, और ये भाई बहन की जोड़ी इसके जीते जागते उदाहरण है. Artists, congratulations, well done, and keep the flag of DPS always soaring high. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, ma'am. I request the dignitaries to be on the stage. Most welcome. God bless you and heartiest congratulations.